Whenever you talk with your dentist about root canal, most of the patients, and I was one of them, we just don't know that there are other options. One of my tooth was broken, and she gave me great explanation. What does it mean that we need to make a decision if root canal is essential for that tooth or we can do the other way around. That was also the first time when I heard about pop cupping.
In my last pregnancy, throughout the pregnancy, I had 4 root canals. Very traumatic to be in the chair for that long. I was really afraid to have more trauma in the area and have yet more root canals, which would make my bite feel less stable. So I was pleased that I was offered another alternative, that I wouldn't have to lose my tooth. Dr. Urbankova was able to perform a pulp capping procedure on the tooth, and the root canal was not necessary, and she saved my tooth. Any other dentist would have told me that the root, there was no way that they could have saved it.
Her first goal is to save the tooth, and in cases when it's missing already, implant has to be done. She has different approach. She will never do something that will lead you to more expensive way and losing your implant after that. I have 6 separate preserve teeth by her for this 1 year.
I feel in very good hands with Dr. Urbankova. She's extremely professional, and I like that she takes the time to really explain her techniques and her methods.
She was even able to bring books, even if that was 8 or 8:30 p.m. and she was already done with work. She still was bringing books, showing me images, explaining things.
It is a unique treatment. It's a personal treatment, so personal. Everything is designed for you. This unique experience.
And she was ready even to check my insurance, check my benefits.
Dr. Urbankova was so efficient. I didn't have to come in 3 or 4 times as I did in my other practice.
With Dr. Urbankova, I had a big picture. She told me exactly how the situation looks like. She was showing me my x-rays, she was taking pictures during the procedure just to show me step by step what is happening. Pop cupping gives all of the benefits to the patient. All of the risk that the procedure will go wrong, because it's very easy to make a mistake. It has to be great job, very strict to the details, very clean, but at this point you have second life for your teeth.